If your backpack currently looks like a black hole of crumpled papers, broken pens, and mystery crumbs from last semester, don't even worry. We have all been there. But a new school year is the perfect chance for a fresh start. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I pack my backpack to be super organized, incredibly functional, and of course, totally aesthetic. This is all about creating a system that makes your school day feel easier, cleaner, and way more put together for everyone. In this video, we will discuss. Let's get into it. Core school supplies. Let's start with the absolute foundation, your core school supplies. First up, the backpack itself. This is your main accessory, so choose one that you genuinely love. Whether you're into soft pastels, vibrant and bold colors, a sleek minimalist design, or even a cool graphic print, your backpack sets the tone for your entire vibe. Look for one with comfortable padded straps and a few different compartments to help with organization later. Now, for what goes inside. I am a huge believer in having a separate, cute notebook for each of my main subjects. It just makes finding your notes so much easier. Then we have the fun part, writing tools. I rely on a system of color-coded pens for my notes, maybe blue for definitions, pink for examples, and green for important dates. A pack of mild liner highlighters is a must for me because, let's be real, aesthetic notes are a huge source of instant motivation. Everything writing-related lives in a sturdy, yet cute pencil pouch. This stops the pen explosion at the bottom of your bag. Inside mine, I have my favorite pens, those highlighters, a mini stapler for last-minute assignments, correction tape, because it's so much neater than old-fashioned whiteout, and a small ruler. The pro tip here is to absolutely pick stationery that sparks joy for you. It genuinely makes studying and note-taking feel so much more fun and intentional. Study helpers and extras. Now, let's level up from the basics to the real game changers, my study helpers and tech extras. This is all about working smarter, not harder. First, a planner or a bullet journal. This is your command center for literally everything, from homework deadlines and test dates to club meetings and hangouts with friends. Writing it all down keeps your brain from feeling cluttered. I also never leave home without a pack of sticky notes in a few cute colors. They're perfect for quick reminders, marking important pages in textbooks, or leaving little notes for friends. For your digital life, a reliable USB flash drive is essential for backing up presentations and essays. I learned the hard way that you never want to risk losing all your hard work the night before it's due. For those noisy study halls, or when you just need to deep focus, a good pair of noise-canceling earphones is an absolute lifesaver. And my secret weapon for crushing my homework is this little guy, a mini timer. I use it for the Pomodoro technique, which is just 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. It is all about maximizing productivity, but we're making it aesthetic and sustainable. Emergency, hygiene, and inclusive care kit. Okay, let's talk about what might be the most important pouch in my entire backpack, the emergency, hygiene, and personal care kit. Think of this as your personal rescue kit, always there to save the day. In my clear pouch, I have all the essentials: travel-sized hand sanitizer and wet wipes for quick cleanups, my favorite lip balm, a mini deodorant for a quick refresh especially after gym class, a tiny mirror, a hairbrush, some hair ties and clips, and of course, mints or gum. Now, I want to make this super inclusive. For my hijabi besties, this kit is the perfect place to store a few extra essentials. I highly recommend packing a spare, foldable hijab in a neutral color, a couple of underscarves for comfort, and some safety pins for that extra peace of mind and security throughout the day. It's all about feeling prepared, confident, and comfortable, no matter what the day brings. Period kit. Building on that, let's normalize being prepared for our periods. I keep a separate, discreet, and cute patterned pouch dedicated solely as my period kit. This helps me avoid any frantic searches. Inside, I have a mix of pads and tampons, or you can pack a menstrual cup if that's what you prefer. I also include a small, discreet pouch with a couple of pain relief tablets for any cramps, and honestly, a spare pair of underwear is a total lifesaver to have on hand. Having this dedicated kit means you're always prepared, which takes away so much stress and lets you just focus on your day. Fuel and hydration station. Your brain needs fuel to get through the day, so if your school doesn't provide lunch, this section is for you. Investing in a cute and insulated lunchbox is a total game changer. It keeps your food fresh and makes lunchtime something to look forward to. I love packing easy-to-eat snacks like granola bars, a piece of fruit, or some veggie sticks with hummus to keep my energy up between classes. And this might be the most important item, a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial for staying focused and feeling good. I aim to fill mine up at least twice during the school day. Choose a bottle in your favorite color or with a fun design to make drinking water more appealing. Locker essentials. If you're lucky enough to have a locker, let's make it your second home. This is your space to add a little extra personality and storage. I like to keep duplicates of things I might need, like an extra deodorant, a larger hairbrush, and a spare phone charger cable. For my hijabi friends, your locker is the perfect spot to store 1 or 2 extra hijabs, so you always have a backup option. Then just add some cozy, personal vibes. Maybe a small mirror, a tiny faux plant, some fairy lights if your school allows, and a few printed photos of your friends and family. It's your own little sanctuary in the middle of a busy school day. Make your backpack aesthetic and organized. Finally, let's talk about the secret to keeping your backpack both Instagram-worthy and functionally organized. The answer is simple. Pouches, pouches, pouches. I use a different colored or clear pouch for every category. One for stationery, one for self-care, one for my period kit, and one for tech cords. This is a game changer. It makes finding anything so easy and prevents the dreaded backpack black hole. Then, add those final personal touches that make it yours. A cute keychain, a mini plushie, or a charm that matches your vibe attached to the zipper can instantly lift your mood. And remember, the goal of organization isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a system that makes your everyday routine feel calm, smooth, and truly reflective of you. And that's it, besties. Your backpack is now officially school-ready, super organized, and thoughtfully inclusive for all. I hope you feel inspired to pack your own. Drop a backpack emoji in the comments below if you're going to use any of these tips.